Hello students. Today I am discussing about psychosocial care of COVID-19, that is coronavirus 2019. It is a recent pandemic which is frightening situation for the world. Every country is fighting against coronavirus. So every country is made lockdown and everybody are staying at home, self quarantine, and it is very important situation where the long, long staying at home, it may leads to some psychosocial issues. So as we are nursing personnel, we should know how to care the psychosocial issues of the persons, and also we have to educate them how to manage the psychosocial issues at home. So, COVID 19, difficult times for all of us, that we hear about the spread of the COVID 19 from all over the world through the television, social media, न्यूज़पेपर, फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड अदर सोर्सेज. जब हम सुनते हैं कोविड 19 के बारे में अपडेट्स टेलीविज़न सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू, जब we may feel fear, anxious and panic, can even we make us to do the things that we might not consider appropriate under normal circumstances. So lockdown is meant by to prevent the spread of infection from the one person to another. Lockdown is meant to protect ourselves and also others. So इसलिए हमको घर पे रहना चाहिए. ये इन्फेक्शन को हम एक दूसरे से स्प्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए और खुद को भी बचाना है और दूसरों को भी बचाना है. ये कोविड 19 से फाइट करना ये गवर्नमेंट या पुलिस या मेडिकल वाले का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ये हम सबका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आवर सेल्फ वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम द कोविड 19. सो इसीलिए कोई भी बाहर मत जाइए. जाना है तो जब भी ज़्यादा नीड नेसेसिटी होगा, कुछ चीज़ें खरीदने की जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, तभी बाहर जाइए. और ट्रिप्स, आउटसाइड ट्रिप्स को कम करिए. जो हेल्थी फैमिली मेम्बर हैं उसी को भेजिए बाहर. और किसी कोई भी बीमार पड़ते हैं घर पे, आपको आसपास कौन सा नियर है जो मेडिकल हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है उसकी जानकारी रखिए. ये जानकारी रखना बहुत ज़रूरी. और सोशल आइसोलेशन को कैसे हैंडल करना चाहिए, यहाँ पर हम आपको कुछ टिप्स दिया जा रहा है. बी बिजी, हैव ए रेगुलर शेड्यूल, हेल्प इन डूइंग सम ऑफ द वर्क एट होम. सो अपने खुद को बिजी रखिए, कोई भी अपना एक शेड्यूल बनाइए, उसके हिसाब से काम करते रहिए. और जो घर का हो वर्क्स हैं उसमें हेल्प करिए. अपनी माँ को हेल्प करिए, अपनी बहन को हेल्प करिए, अपने बच्चों को हेल्प करिए. एंगेज, बी बिजी एंड डिस्ट्रैक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम नेगेटिव इमोशंस. उसके लिए आपको यू लिसन टू म्यूजिक, read reading your favorite books, watching an entertainment program on television. If you had old hobbies like painting, gardening or stitching, go back to them. Rediscover your hobbies. This is the best opportunity to rediscover your hobbies. Eat well and drink plenty of fluids. Be physically active. Do simple indoor exercises that will keep you fit and feel fit. Sharing is caring, so understand if someone around you needs advice, food or other essentials. Be willing to share. And elderly people, care of elderly people is very necessary because they may feel confused, lost and need help. So offer them the help by getting them what they need and their medicines and their daily needs, etc. If you have children at home, keep them busy. Focus on facts and reject the rumors and other theories. Knowledge is power, so get more information, and more you know about the certain issues, the less fear you may feel. Make sure to access and believe only the most reliable sources of information for self-protection, and do not follow sensational news or social media posts which may impact your mental status. So do not spread and share any unverified news or information further. सोशल मीडिया ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहाँ पर न्यूज़ बहुत जल्दी स्प्रेड होती हैं। सबको ये कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं रहता है कि विच इज़ फेक और विच इज़ ए रूमर, विच इज़ सही है। इसीलिए जब आपको एकदम सही लगता है वैसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को ही स्प्रेड करिए। जो अननेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन रूमर्स को मत फैलाइए। And do not keep discussing all the time about the who got sick and how. Instead, learn about how to get well soon and recovered. And stick to the known advices and hand hygiene and keeping a physical distance from others. हाथ धोइए 20 सेकंड्स के लिए अपना हाथ, यानी नॉर्मल साबुन या हैंड वॉश जो भी अवेलेबल है उसे अच्छे से हाथ धो लीजिए। एंड एक दूसरे से 2 मीटर का डिस्टेंस बना के रखिए। एंड इट इज़ वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट योर सेल्फ एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट द केयर ऑफ अदर्स। ए कॉमन कोल्ड इज़ नॉट ए कोरोना इन्फेक्शन, इसलिए मत डरिए। कॉमन कोल्ड हो सकता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये कोरोना है। एंड द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोरोना हैव बीन ऑलरेडी वेल डिस्क्राइब्ड। सो फॉलो द एटिक्वेट ऑफ स्नीजिंग, कफिंग, अवॉइड स्पिटिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस। जब भी आप स्नीजिंग कॉफिंग करते हैं आप अपने फेस को, माउथ को कवर करिए। एंड जो भी कवर करते हो, फेस मास्क है, ये कपड़ा है, उसको कवर्ड डस्टबिन में डालिए, कहीं पर भी मत फेंकिएगा। और जब भी आप स्नीजिंग कॉफिंग करते हैं आप अपने हाथ को यूज़ करने से अच्छा अपने एल्बो को यूज़ करिए। इन मोस्ट पीपल द कोरोना infection causes mild symptoms and the person only needs to follow social distancing till he or she stops being infected. Usually that is about 2 weeks. The mild infection does not require any hospitalization. Only people who have breathing difficulties, they need to be hospitalized. So most of the people recover from in. So अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे हैंडल करना चाहिए। इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक एंग्जाइटी, फियर, फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड, एंग्री, afraid, frightening, these are the some of the emotional problems. So if you are having anxiety, practice breathing slowly for a few minutes. Try and distract your thoughts that are making you anxious. Think of something calm and sudden and slow down your mind. And feeling angry and irritated, so calming your mind, counting the back from 10 to 1 digits, distracting yourself. And if you are feeling afraid, deal with it by asking yourself, आपको जब एकदम ज़्यादा अफ्रेड फियर होता है अपने आप से ये पूछिए, what it is under my control? Am I unnecessarily worrying about the worst thing that can happen? When I have been stressed in the past, how I have managed myself? What are the things that can I do help myself and others? And be positive. These questions अपने आप को पूछिए. And feeling lonely or sad also quite common. So stay connected with your loved ones. Communication can help you to connect with the family and friends. Call up people whom you haven't spoken and surprise them. Discuss happy moments, common interest. Exchange the cooking tips and share the music. If any of these emotions persist for longer time, continuously for several days, despite you are trying to get out of it, then this is the time to talk with someone. If the feelings worsen, a person may feel helpless, hopeless, and feel that life is not worth living, that is worthlessness. If that happens, call helpline numbers for advice, from mental health professionals and contact your doctor. Mental health professionals 104 1070 1077 1100 ये नंबर्स पे आप लोग कॉल कर सकते हैं. एंड avoid tobacco, alcohol and other drugs. Use of tobacco or alcohol to cope up with the emotions or boredom can worsen your physical and mental health, and it reduces the immunity. So people who have already have substance use problems may require professional help, especially when they feel low in the mood or stressed. Do not shun or judge the people with COVID infection. While you need to maintain a physical distance and keep yourself safe to prevent such infections, remember they need care and concern. If you know someone who might have the infection, tell them about the precautions, how to get medical assistance if required. If you happen to get infected with the corona, remember most people get better. Do not panic. Practice self isolation and take medications that are advised. इमोशनल इश्यूज आफ्टर रिकवरी. यहाँ पर कोई भी कोविड इन्फेक्शन से रिकवर होके आने के बाद उनका इमोशनल स्टेटस क्या रहता है. वेल इट इज़ वंडरफुल टू रिकवर फ्रॉम कोविड इन्फेक्शन. You may actually face stress after you have recovered and wish to get back to the community. You may have fear about your loved ones or falling ill. People who do not understand the illness well may actually keep you at a distance, which is also very stressful and isolating. You may experience feelings of guilt that you were not able to work or care for others. This may lead to feelings of depression, helplessness, or frustration. Use the ways mentioned earlier to deal with these feelings. Share your positive story that it is possible to you to recover from. Just as you can recognize your own mental health problems, be sensitive to such problems in your near and dear ones, which may include changes in sleeping pattern, difficulty in sleeping and concentrating, worsening of health problems, increased use of alcohol, tobacco, or drugs. Be supportive to them. If the problem persists, please contact the helpline numbers and contact your doctors or mental health professionals. Recognize mental health problems in your near and dear one is very, very essential. And persons with mental illness, so the already persons who are having mental illness, they have the same fears and stress as others that can be worsen the previous mental health condition. So social isolation make them more withdrawn and moody and irritable. They may not seek and get easy access to medicines and counseling. So help and support is very vital for the persons with mental illness from their families and other caregivers. So health helplines can provide support in addition to get regular taking of prescribed medication and regular daily routine, keeping engaged and positive. Remember, good mental status in the difficult times may win you the battle more easily. So maintain good mental health status and fight corona battle and win psychosocial issues among the migrants during COVID-19. So treat everyone migrant worker with dignity, respect and empathy and compassion. Listen to their concerns patiently and understand their problems. Recognize specific and varied needs for each person and family. There is no generalization. And उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स की हेल्प की एक्नॉलेजमेंट करिए. अनयूजुअल सिचुएशंस रहता है, इट इज़ अनसर्टेनिटी, एंड उनको रीअश्योर करिए कि ये सब टेम्पररी हैं, वी विल गेट नॉर्मल लाइफ वेरी सून. And be prepared with all the information about possible sources of help. Inform them about the support being extended by central government, state government or NGOs or healthcare system. And emphasis on the importance of their staying in their present location, how mass movement could greatly and adversely affect all the efforts to contain the virus. So make them realize their importance in the community and appreciate their contributions for the society. Remind them that they have made their place with their own efforts, acquired the trust of their employer, sent the remittances to their families, and therefore deserve all the respect. Reassure that even if the employer fails them, local administration and charitable institutions would extend all possible. Out of the desperation, many may react in a manner which may appear insulting. Try to understand their issues and be patient. If somebody is afraid of getting affected, tell them that the condition is curable and the most recover from it, and remind them that it is safer for their families if they themselves stay away from them. Instead of reflecting any mercy, seek their support in the spirit of winning over the situation and taking care of the mental health of children during COVID-19. Provide assurance whenever needed. Manage your child anxiety properly. Engage them in indoor activities. Keep them in contact with their friends by other ways like phone. Give them clear information. Make a routine of learning at home and taking care of mental health of elderly during COVID-19. Spend time with family. Spend time on recreational activities. Manage some time for exercise. Getting involved in daily activities. Connecting to loved ones. Cut down on listening to news. Thank you so much. Hope it may be helpful for everyone. ये कोरोना को प्रिवेंट और करना ये गवर्नमेंट या मेडिकल हेल्थ केयर पुलिस का ही रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ये हम सबका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. फील रेस्पॉन्सिबल, बी एट होम, बी सेफ. जल्दी से जल्दी कोरोना को अपना देश से भगाइए. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.